The Art of War, Chapter 11, The 9 Situations, Part 12 of 14, Leadership and Unity. I quote, "The principle on which to manage an army is to set up one standard of courage which all must reach. The skillful general conducts his army just as though he were leading a single man, willy-nilly, by the hand." What does it mean in the modern world? Unity of mindset is everything. Without unity, even strong groups collapse internally. With unity, even average groups become powerful. Sun Tzu believes leadership is not about control, but alignment, where everyone moving in the same direction with the same clarity toward the same objective. In modern organizations, this is rare. Most teams are fragmented, where each person pulls in a slightly different direction. However, strong leaders do one thing differently. They simplify direction until it becomes impossible to misunderstand. When clarity is shared, execution becomes effortless. And when execution becomes effortless, results become inevitable. Now, these are your follow-up actions. If you are leading others, simplify your message until it cannot be misunderstood. Align everyone on one clear objective. Repetition of clarity is more powerful than complexity. Subscribe for more.